pulled over because I needed to make sure my GoPro was running. Once I got it going, I noticed that my bike went into limp mode, or it started firing one cylinder. It had slow response on the throttle response, but I figured that's what it's supposed to do. So after the car's clear, it started taking off, and my speedometer gauge is not working. RPMs are going up, but the Speedo stays at 0, and then a check engine light comes on. It goes on like this for a good 10-20 minutes of riding, but I just wanted to make sure that nothing else was wrong with the bike. So it was just a speedometer at 0. Everything else seemed to be working normal. So along the trip, I had to fill up again. I was running low on fuel. And this is a perfect opportunity to show you exactly what happens every single time I turn off the bike after riding it for a good 20 minutes or so. Not even 20 minutes, just after startup. There's always an issue with restarting the bike. So after filling up the tank, I only fill it up till the first click, 91 octane. Put the cap back on, and then turn the switch on. Activate the fuel pump. Nothing. Every single time. So if you guys can help me figure out what the heck is going on, that'd be great, because this is embarrassing after every single fill up or every time I turn off the bike.